With thousands of stocks trading on the U.S. market, the majority offer returns that barely surpass those of U.S. Treasury bills. However, every so often, a rare opportunity emerges where the potential upside far outweighs the potential risk. In today's video, we'll be spotlighting one such exceptional stock that has the potential to transform a modest investment of a few $1,000s into a life-changing windfall of $1 million or more. Join us as we delve into the details of this compelling investment opportunity and explore the factors that make it a standout in the market. Let's dive right in. The stock we'll be focusing on today is Cassava Sciences, ticker symbol SAVA, a company that's been making waves in the medical community with its innovative drug, Simufilm. This groundbreaking treatment has completed a pivotal 52-week phase 3 trial, with results currently under review by independent third-party evaluators. Notably, Cassava Sciences anticipates releasing the phase 3 results before the end of 2024, which means we're just 4 to 6 weeks away from a potentially game-changing catalyst. The clock is ticking, and soon we'll have clarity on the outcome of this highly anticipated trial. Alzheimer's disease poses a daunting global health challenge, impacting millions of lives worldwide. The current treatment landscape is limited, with existing therapies offering modest benefits at best. Characterized by cognitive decline and memory loss, Alzheimer's disproportionately affects the elderly population. While treatments like aducanumab, donepezil, and lecanemab are available, they primarily target mild to moderate stages of the disease, often with significant drawbacks. These medications can cause severe side effects, including cerebral edema, nausea, vomiting, and increased muscle cramp risk. Furthermore, their ability to meaningfully alter the disease's progression is restricted. This unmet medical need creates a pressing demand for innovative solutions. Enter Simufilm, a promising therapeutic candidate that could potentially revolutionize Alzheimer's treatment. Its developers claim it may offer a safer, more effective alternative, addressing the urgent need for improved patient outcomes. Let's examine the potential math behind SAVA's stock. Currently trading at $28 with a market cap of approximately $1 billion, the company's valuation could undergo a significant transformation if Simufilm succeeds in phase 3 trials and receives FDA approval. With 6 million individuals affected by Alzheimer's in the United States and 40 million worldwide, numbers expected to double by 2050 due to the aging population, the addressable market is substantial. Assuming a 10 million patient penetration with an annual treatment cost of $5,000, SAVA's revenue potential reaches $50 billion. To put this into perspective, Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE, generates similar revenues and boasts a market capitalization of around $147 billion. If SAVA achieves comparable success, its market capitalization could swell to $150 billion in the coming years, representing a 150-fold return on investment. This translates to a compelling risk-reward scenario. An investment of $7,000 could potentially yield $1 million. While there are no guarantees, the potential upside far outweighs the downside, making this a fascinating bet for investors. Two key studies conducted in 2023 provide compelling evidence of its potential. Open-label Phase 2 study, January 2023. In this study, Simufilm demonstrated promising outcomes in patients with mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. Impressively, 47% of patients showed improvements on the ADAS-Cog scale over a year, with a 4.7-point improvement in this group. Notably, patients with mild Alzheimer's disease responded particularly well, with significant cognitive score improvements. Simufilm's excellent safety profile further enhances its importance in Alzheimer's care. To enhance the credibility of the results, the company enlisted an independent biostatistical consulting firm led by Dr. Suzanne Hendricks to analyze the efficacy endpoints and outcomes. Cognitive Maintenance Study, CMS, July 2023. The CMS results were exceptionally promising, offering renewed hope in Alzheimer's research. Simufilm, administered orally, showed a remarkable 38% reduction in cognitive decline compared to the placebo over a 6-month period in patients with mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. Importantly, it not only improved cognitive scores over 6 months but also stabilized them over an unprecedented 18-month period. The drug maintained its excellent safety profile and high tolerability throughout the study. 2 key factors contribute to our optimism about Cassava Sciences' successful Phase 3 trial. Firstly, Simufilm has demonstrated an impressive safety profile, being well tolerated by patients. This is crucial, as it not only enhances the likelihood of FDA approval but also makes it more probable even with moderate efficacy improvements. A safe and effective treatment is essential for Alzheimer's patients, and Simufilm's performance in this regard is promising. Secondly, it's worth noting that none of the company's directors have sold their shares in the last year, indicating their confidence in the company's prospects. If there were concerns about the trial's outcome or the company's future, it's likely that insiders would have sold their shares to secure gains. The fact that they're holding onto their shares suggests they're bullish about SAVA's potential, which is a positive sign for investors. This insider confidence, combined with Simufilm's safety profile, strengthens the case for a successful Phase 3 trial. Institutional holding is another crucial indicator of a stock's potential. As of now, institutional ownership accounts for approximately 38% of Cassava Sciences' outstanding shares. Notably, over the past 3 months, institutions have purchased 4.12 million shares on a net basis, representing around 8.5% of outstanding shares. This significant buying activity suggests that institutions are building positions in the company, which can be a bullish sign. Prominent institutional investors, including BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street Corp., hold substantial stakes. Moreover, Morgan Stanley has recently increased its holding by 200%, now owning 519,000 shares. This increased institutional interest can be seen as a vote of confidence in Cassava Sciences' prospects. Despite the promising prospects, there are key risks associated with Cassava Sciences that investors should be aware of. Firstly, the failure of the ongoing Phase 3 trial for Simufilm would be catastrophic, potentially sending the stock price plummeting to $2 to $3. This outcome would severely impact the company's future prospects. Another significant risk is the ongoing indictment of Dr. Wang, whose research played a crucial role in the development of Simufilm during its Phase 1 and 2 trials. Although the legal proceedings may be prolonged, they could create unnecessary problems and distractions for the company. While other research papers also support Simufilm's efficacy, Dr. Wang's involvement was instrumental in its early development, making this risk a notable concern. To conclude, taking a small position in Cassava Sciences can be viewed as a calculated bet. With the stock's potential upside significantly outweighing its downside, the risk-reward ratio is attractive. Essentially, investors risk approximately $28 per share, but the potential reward could be substantial, with gains of up to $4,000 per share. While acknowledging the risks, we remain hopeful about the successful outcome of the Phase 3 trial for Simufilm. If the trial meets its endpoints, SAVA's stock price could skyrocket, making this a potentially lucrative investment opportunity. As always, it's essential to do your own research, set clear expectations, and manage risk accordingly. Thanks for watching.